Hello students, this is question number 9 of exercise 1.2, NCERT book, exercise 1.2. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how many cloth will remain? You can think of a roll of the cloth. From this roll, we have to cut approximately 2 meter and 15 centimeter cloth. So such many pieces of cloth has to be cut from this 40 meter cloth. Now we have to find how many such cloth will be cut down, how many such pieces of cloth for shirts will be cut, and how much will remain. Suppose this is the remaining part of the cloth which length is less than 2 meter 15 centimeter. So this is the remaining portion of the cloth, remaining portion of the 40 meter cloth. So first we will convert all the units to the lower units. For example, here 2 meter 15 centimeter, there are two units, 2 meter and 15 centimeter. This is 40 meter. So it is better way to solve this question in the uniform units. So we will use the lower units. So cloth required for one shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. We have the standard 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we will use the standard 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter will be equal to 2 into 100 centimeter plus this remaining 15 centimeter. That is 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 215 centimeter. So we can say that this much portion is 215 centimeter. So how much such portions can be cut from the 40 meter cloth? For that we will apply the division concept. We will try to divide the 40 meter cloth. Okay, first you have to convert the 40 meter into centimeters. So length of cloth given is equal to 40 meter is equal to 40 into 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter will be equal to 40 into 100 centimeter. That will be equal to 4000 centimeter. Now we will try to distribute the 4000 centimeter cloth into, this is 40 meter equivalent to 4000 centimeter cloth into 215 centimeter cloth. So we will divide 4000 centimeter will with 215 centimeter. Now here we can solve this by division process. 215 multiplied by 10, it approximately gives 2150. If I multiply 215 with 20, it will give 430, 4300. So I will try 215. This number is just greater than this number. So 215 multiplied by 19, that will be equal to 215 multiplied by 19, that will be 4085. Again this number is greater than 4000. So 215 multiplied by 18. So 215 multiplied by 18, that will be equal to 3870. So 215 18s are 3870, that will be equal to 130. So we can say that 4000 meter cloth is distributed in 215 into 18 pieces, plus 130 meter of the cloth will remain. So our answer will be, how many shirts can be stitched for one cloth? 215 cloth is required. So such 18 pieces will be required, will be cut. So this is 18 pieces. These are all 18 pieces. And how much will be cut down? How much will be the remaining cloth? Remaining cloth will be 130 centimeter, because every calculation is in centimeter. So this much cloth is 130 centimeter. So how much shirts are stitched? These are 18. And how much cloth will remain? 130 centimeter.